What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm just going to be showing you how to make a very simple coffee table. This was an order that I was given by a customer, and I wanted to share with you. So the first thing that I had to start with was cutting these pieces of MDF boards. These are the frames that I'm going to be using while making the coffee table. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand and see how I did make this coffee table. So just watch as I cut these pieces, and then I will start joining them, because you will learn something from this one if you want to try something like this. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel All Things With Us. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And you can also visit our channel because we have a variety of videos. We have DIY videos, transformation videos, makeover videos. We have a variety of videos that you can entertain yourself with, or you can learn something if you are into such videos or such things like this. Yeah, so you can visit our channel and watch more of our content. Yeah, this is me just continue shaping the frames, because I'm going to be cutting out 2 frames for the coffee table, and I will show you the pieces of wood that I did use, because I used 2x1s to join these 2 frames. But everything will make sense if you watch the video till the end and I understand everything that I did. So for this coffee table, let me just give you the materials that I used. First of all, you have seen this MDF board that I did cut to make this frame. As you can see, that is the shape, and it had some rounded edges. And then I did use these 2x1 pieces of wood. As you can see, I'm cutting them into sizes. I also used a 3mm plywood. You are going to see it as the video progress. Also, I did use a wood glue, some nails, and I use Formica, a sheet for this DIY today. So those are the materials that I've used during this process. And the machines, you can see everything, and the tools that I've used. You can see I've used the hammer, circular saw, a jigsaw. Yeah, you can see the tools that I've used, but I just decided to use the tools because I have them. If you don't have them, you can just use a jigsaw. And if you don't have any cutting tool, you can visit any local carpenter around your area and let him cut these pieces for you, and then you can go and join them. So for the measurements, because I know some will ask for the measurements, at the coffee table, the client decided to go with her specific measurements. But normally for a standard coffee, for me, I normally use 2x3, that is the top, 2 feet by 3 feet the top, and then the height you can use between 15 inches to 18 inches. Yeah, so you can use those measurements. The height of the coffee table to be between 15 to 18, depending on your preference, and the top you can use 2 by 3 feet. So now you know the measurements and everything. So watch the video till the end. Make sure you tell me in the comment section what you think about this DIY today. Comment, share with your friends and family, like the video, and I will definitely see you in my next videos. See you.